Hi. Now, you've reached another episode of the Hawkins STEM Chronicles. And it's cold out here, so I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. If you've seen some of the other videos, you probably have a good idea by now about what Hawkins STEM is really about. We're about bringing people together, and we're about bringing people together to do STEM, we're about bringing people together to grow in STEM, and we're about bringing people together to create STEM. Now, Hawkins STEM is divided really into a number of separate projects. The first set of projects are the videos. And again, you've probably seen some of the other videos where we go and talk to people who are in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. We talk to people that are in college or in grad school. We talk to people who are working in STEM professionally. And we talk to people who are retired from STEM. The idea is, okay, this is weird.